Howdy everyone, this is Trisha and welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make these cheesy chicken and mushroom zucchini boats. So for my zucchini boats, I'm going to start off with 2 zucchinis. I'm making this dish for 2 persons. Of course, you will multiply this by however many people you want. I'm going to half these, so if you want to go ahead and stretch this out, you could actually give a half and serve this for 4 people. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the ends of my zucchini, and then I'm going to carefully cut in half. Just like that. All right, so now using a spoon, I'm going to scoop out the seeds in the center. And this is what we'll have. So I'll do that to all 4 halves. All right, so here I have my baking dish and I have prepared it. So just prepare your baking dish as needed. I have put some parchment paper and I've sprayed some coconut oil in there just because I want an easy cleanup and I can just toss this away. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my zucchini halves in there. Okay, so I'm going to drizzle my zucchini with some olive oil, season it with salt, pepper, and some garlic powdered seasoning. I'm using a garlic and herb seasoning. Season these as you wish to taste. All right, so here I've got some chicken. These are just some chicken strip tenders. I had 4 of them that I cooked in a pan, and then I just cut them up. I chopped them up, and then I sauteed 4 mushrooms and chopped them up really well. 2 mini peppers here, the little bell peppers, and I also chopped them up, as well as 2 green onions. So these are going to be what I'm going to put into my boats. You can choose to use some different veggies. Maybe you don't even want to put any meat in it. You can choose not to, but I also suggest a ground turkey would be great, or even some ground beef or brisket would be nice in this. Okay, so I'm just going to stuff my boats with some of this chicken. Okay, and I'm also going to put some mushrooms in there, and you can stuff them up as much as you want, or if you want to make more. As you can see, I still have some chicken here. So it all depends on how many people you're going to serve. All right, so before I add my little green onions and my pretty red bell peppers there, I'm going to go ahead and put some shredded mozzarella on top. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add some bell peppers just to make them look really pretty. Plus I'll add a little bit of extra flavor to my zucchini boats. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and also shred some parmesan on top of these. These is completely optional what cheeses you want to use, but I really like some shredded parmesan on top. You could also wait and actually add this when you're ready to serve them. And now I'm going to top them with my little green onions. Of course, these little green onions could also be placed fresh on top after they've done baking. I've got my oven preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So these are going to go in there for about 20 minutes. Okay, so here are my zucchini boats fresh out of the oven, and I'm just going to sprinkle some more Parmesan cheese on top. These are ready to be served and eaten. All right, everyone, that has been my recipe for these cheesy chicken and mushroom stuffed zucchini boats. Look at that, looks so good with that melted cheese on top. I served mine up on some cauliflower rice, as you can see down here, with some tomatoes, and this is going to make a nice serving. So just double it up if you want to serve 4 people or more. And there we go. So I hope you enjoyed my recipe. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up, and I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified of when I put up videos, which is twice a week. Please be kind to each other, respect each other, share on your social medias, and as always, enjoy.